Kia ora te whānau. I got a bit carried away in my puka puka. But man, I love reading. Do you like reading too? I wonder how these authors get to put such cool kaupapa and how they think of all these cool kaupapa that get put inside of all these puka puka. It must just fall out of thin air. Story starter cards. These are done in bilingual too. I wonder how we use them. Let's have a look. Oh, these are pretty cool. Let's see what kupu we get. Ra, the sun. Kaukura, a rainbow. Paikara, a bike. What's our last one? Pō, the nighttime. Okay, let's try think of a sentence that gets all four of these kupu into it. Alrighty, it's a rainy day here and the rain just wouldn't stop and Mum told us to go to bed. Te pō has come, the night has come. So off to bed I went, and in the morning the sun, te rā, came out and dried up all the rain. And out came a kahukura, a rainbow. Now, Mum was sick of me inside all day, so she said, get on your paikara and head off to the papatakaro, the playground. Now, in te reo Māori, we use these things called tohuto, which is a macron. It sits a bit like a hat above the vowels. And all that means is you hold that vowel a little bit longer. So, we have paikara, no macrons. We've got pō. There's a hat above the O. So all you got to do is hold the O a little bit longer. So, e te whānau, when you're using these cards, be on the lookout for our tohuto, our hat that sits above our vowels. I'll give you a couple more examples. Remember our friend Pō, the nighttime? He's got a tohuto, so I'm going to hold him a little bit longer. Paikara, no macrons, no hats. This is a new one, and something yummy. Mahi maro, marshmallow. Did you see the tohuto? Did you hear how I held the a little bit longer? So, give it a go, karawhiua, and have fun making up your own stories.